So it's in my Bucket Dev here, and today I'm bringing you the second part of the JFrame tutorials. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can add some functionality to your JFrame to make it look more user-friendly, and you can actually do something with it other than display this unresizable screen. So let's just start off with some new things. First, we're going to create some new like menu bars. So we're going to create a menu bar. J bar, like a menu bar. I'm going to just write that. So now we've declared a menu, or a JFrame menu, and we called it menu bar. And we're going to create a J menu. We're going to call it menu, and it's going to be a sub menu. So that's going to be under the regular menu with import that. And now we're going to, sorry if there's any background noise, I'm just currently somewhere else. We're going to create another J menu item, menu item. You don't have to name it the stuff I'm naming it, like the menu item. I just think it, for simplicity's sakes, it sounds good. And now we're just going to create a J radio button menu item. And we're just going to call this RB menu item. That's okay. So now we're just gonna put that right there. And for the last thing, we're gonna have a checkbox, a J checkbox menu. God, my birds are annoying. You probably might not hear them. I don't know. Menu item. Okay. Import. Now that we have all that stuff, we're gonna create the actual menu bar. Menu bar is equal to new J menu bar. I have to add that. I'm actually gonna make a thing. We're actually gonna create create the menu bar. I'm using a new theme. I just like this one. Looks really cool. If you haven't noticed yet. Now we're gonna build the menu. No, build the first menu. That's more like it. And we're going to do menu is equal to new J. Sorry if I'm messing up. I'm trying to. Okay. And just like I just got home, you know, tired and everything, but I really want to code. And so I thought, why not? We're going to call this a menu. Because, you know, kill them. So now we're gonna do menu dot set mimic set mnemonic to a key event dot k underscore a. Import that. And if you don't know what a key event is, like when you press A on your keyboard, that's what it's doing. I'll show you how to do some of that now. We're gonna do a pretty one of your biggest lines of code, maybe. Menu dot get access ability context, and then inside, or not inside, we're gonna do dot set access description, and I think what we're gonna do is probably right inside is the only menu in this program that has menu items. So like it says, this only menu is gonna have menu items. And then under that we're gonna write menu dot add menu. And now we've added the menu. Give a round of applause. Now we're gonna code a little bit more and write a group of radio button and menu items. Now menu dot add separator button. If you don't know what a separator is, just you know what separate means in general. Group is equal to a new button group. And as you see, we've already written good fair code so far. Looks good, looks good. And now we're gonna write after that, we're gonna write RB menu item is equal to a new J radio button menu item a radio button menu item. After that, do a little enter in. We're gonna write RB menu item, and after that, you're probably just gonna want to write. I think we're gonna set selected probably to true. That's probably want to make it select true. Sounds good. Now we're gonna do RB menu item dot set, like what we did before, to key event dot be key. I think we're gonna do R. I like R. That sounds good. And we're gonna write group dot add RB menu item. So if we just run this right now, you see nothing's been added because we're just setting it up in here. Actually, it looks really cool. That select effect. So now we're pretty much done with that. Now there's a menu, add menu. I do like to make sure it's all running fine, working fine. Okay, good. Okay. And I think we're almost done, guys. What else did we want? We also wanted to add, I think, checkboxes. Yeah, let's add some checkboxes because a group of checkbox menu items. Menu dot add separate, another separator. Sub menu is equal to new J menu. A sub menu. Let's write that over here. Oh, how much time have we spent so far? Let's see. Well, not that long. Not that long. A sub menu, and we're gonna write sub menu dot set. I'm gonna set the key event to. I'm trying to think of a good one. We're just gonna get rid of that. Add separator. CB menu item dot equals a new J checkbox menu item. I'm probably just gonna name this another I don't know. There, I don't know what we want to add really. Sorry, my power just went out. I have no clue what happened, but we are back. And I think it's safe to say that we are done writing the code. I think I may have left off the tutorial a little long. I'm sorry if it gets cut out. I tried to save as much footage as I could before the power went out, but I will put the code below, but it's all very self-explanatory. Obviously, what it does is that we wrote it. Let's get rid of that. We're going to run it. And look, we now have a sub-menu, and I kind of want to set this unresizable. So. Actually, no. Because you want to kind of, I'm not going to mess with that. We're just going to run it. And you're going to see file, import, all the good stuff. Now, but let's say you wanted to have pictures. Here's the pictures. All you have to do is we're going to go into your like where you have all your files. So here's our YouTube, and you're going to create a new file called lib. Refresh. New file. Import. And in your lib, we're going to get a image called new PNG. So let's just create a new file.png. Let's see if anyone has. No, we're not shopping images. This one looks nice. Copy image. Should we say just copying it? Nope. See image as desktop. Here it is. Into lib new. Now we have it in there. Run it. I think you do is lib. Yeah, there you go. You have to create. So what you could do is actually to keep sanity's sake images, copy, because I do like to keep all my stuff kind of sorted. So now we have a thing called images. Images, it runs file new. Let's say we want it, but that's a little too big, so open this Photoshop. We're also going to get an open file. So maybe this one. This one's nice. To your desktop as projects, plugins, YouTube, images, open. Now I'm just going to do image size is equal to file new 64 by 64. That's usually a pretty good size. And we're going to desktop, projects, plugin, YouTube, images, open, replace. Wait, what? Why couldn't you replace it? Oh. Replace, click OK. Now, refresh. I can't even see it because of that. Images. Quit. Load. That looks good. Maybe a little. That looks good. So it's 32 by 32 is what we want. So now save, change place. Okay. Refresh the project. And now we have a new and open file system. And we have a save. We're gonna add function to these soon. I do hope you guys enjoy this tutorial though. Actually, we're gonna do one more thing. We are gonna add the save function. Not the function, but the save the PNG. We're just gonna, I like this. Oh, this looks really nice. Save. Please. Okay. That's right. Images. Click refresh. Open. File. And that's gonna be end of this tutorial. Hope you guys liked it. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and all that stuff. See ya.